Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how to reset your Razer BlackWidow V3 Mini HyperSpeed keyboard. So, as you can see, here we are in the application, and let me explain, because we have two ways of doing the factory reset. We can unplug our keyboard from our PC. Then we have to hold down three buttons simultaneously: Escape, Caps Lock and Spacebar. And while holding these keys, we have to connect the USB Type-C cable into our keyboard and one connected to PC, and we have to keep holding the keys for about 10 seconds. And this is the first way that I won't show you. The second way is clear our Razer Synapse settings. So as you can see, here we are in the application, and we have to tap this button here and tap delete. Now we have deleted our preset and all the settings we have made to our keyboard. Here, as you can see, we have the reset button and reset profile too. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.